Welcome back. In this video we will see how to show icons of application or the folder in desktop. So first of all, head on to the window icon and click setting, then after go to personalization, and here we go to theme. In theme section we choose desktop icon setting. Now here we will choose the icons that we will show in the desktop. Okay, so we choose computer, recycle bin, and the control panel. Now choose apply and then click OK. Now if we see in the desktop we have 3 icons here which we enable. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on next video. Thank you.